You paid your premiums. You followed the rules. And filing a claim can be stressful enough. But when disasters strike, your claim is denied. Sounds familiar? Then imagine getting hit with all the repair costs. It happens more often than you think, and most of the time is avoidable. Today, I'll walk you through why claims get denied and the adjustments you can make right now to avoid getting blindsided and prevent this from happening to you. So let's get started. One of the biggest reasons a claim is denied is misunderstanding your coverages. For example, a standard policy won't cover flood damage or earthquakes unless those protections were added. Certain types of water damage, like slow leaks, may not be covered at all. This is why it's important to take time to read your policy and know your deductibles. And if something doesn't make sense, ask me. I'll walk you through your coverages line by line. Now, another major consideration is keeping up with home maintenance. Insurance will not pay for what is considered preventable damage. Keep in mind, if a leaky roof or rusty pipes cause damage because it wasn't repaired, your claim could be denied due to neglect. And here's something most homeowners don't realize. Normal wear and tear is not covered by the insurance policy. If something breaks down because it's old or hasn't been maintained, that's on you, not the insurance company. Now here's a checklist. Check for roof leaks annually. Flush your water heater and inspect plumbing. Keep trees trimmed and away from the house. Clean gutters and downspouts. And take clear before and after photos of repairs and upgrades. Save all receipts, inspection reports, and service records. And keep a running log of maintenance activities and dates. And here's the key. Create and keep all documentations on everything. Why? Because when it's time to file a claim, documentation is your proof. It shows the insurer that you've done your part, maintained your home, and taken steps to prevent damage. That can make all the difference between a paid claim and a denied one. This is especially true when it comes to personal property claims like jewelry. If you're claiming a lost or stolen item, insurers will want proof of ownership and value. That's where an appraisal becomes essential. A written appraisal for high-value rings, watches, or family heirlooms provides official value needed to justify a claim. This helps avoid disputes during the process. Now, let me share a true story that stuck with me. A client of mine had their home broken into while on vacation. When they returned, several items were missing, including a diamond bracelet that had been in their family for generations. Naturally, they filed a claim with the insurance company. But here's where things went sideways. The bracelet wasn't listed under the scheduled personal property endorsement, and worse, there was no recent appraisal or receipt on file. The insurance company offered a standard amount, which is just a few $1,000s, but the bracelet was actually worth $15,000. Unfortunately, because there was no documentation, no appraisal, no photos, no valuation, there was nothing to support their claim for the full amount. It was a painful lesson. I always tell clients, if it has value, prove it on paper. Whether it's a custom ring, a rare watch, or inherited jewelry, get it appraised and schedule it properly on your policy. This one step could be the difference between recovering your loss or walking away empty-handed. Now next, please don't wait to report a claim. Delays in reporting can hurt your chances of being covered. Most insurance policies have a claim deadline on when to file after an event. The longer you wait, the harder it is to prove the damage, and the more likely the carrier will question the event. That's why I'm here. Call me as soon as something happens. Even if you're unsure whether to file a claim or not, I'll help you with the options and advise you on how to move forward. Keep in mind, I can't stop you from submitting a claim, nor will I call it in on your behalf. The decision to execute filing a claim is totally yours alone, but I'm here to help guide you through. Now, the bottom line is, make sure you're protected. A claim being denied is frustrating, and most importantly, it's expensive. But this doesn't have to be the case. Let's review your policy. I'll make sure you're covered, clear on what's not covered, and prepared if something does go wrong. If this video spoke to you, please share it with someone who may benefit. Like and please subscribe to the channel for more insurance tips. And don't stop here. Watch the next video where I break down your home insurance policy in more detail. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.